I was young, I didn't know which way to go. I actually didn't have sources and didn't know people, and they really helped me take the next step.
I was put out as a teen father, and Mr. Patterson stepped right in and sort of, I wouldn't say he carried me, but he pushed me to a point where he's like, this is life. These things happen. It's how you overcome them and what you do about it that makes you.
Teen pregnancy rates may be at historic lows. Still, in 2015, nearly 230,000 babies were born to girls between the ages of 15 to 19.
When I found out I was pregnant, I pretty much grew up. I was taking responsibility even after the father left me. I decided that it's not time to be a kid anymore.
Parenting at any age can be difficult. Expectant and parenting young people have added challenges as they balance parenting with transitioning into adulthood. The Office of Adolescent Health's Pregnancy Assistance Fund, or PAF program, promotes positive outcomes for parenting teens, women, fathers, and even the young parents' families.
I would say new fathers fail at being a father is a lack of knowledge. A lot of people don't know that they have help or they aren't in this alone.
So there's a lot of support services in the community that will address the development of the baby itself, but there's not very many programs that focus on the teen and how they need to develop as a person and become a good parent.
PAF grantees implement a seamless and integrated referral network of support services. Most services fall in one of 5 core domains: personal health, child health, education and employment, concrete supports, and parenting support.
You had a baby, okay, how can I help you keep going? How can I help you graduate? How can I help you get to college?
Anything that involves your child or yourself, they're there for you.
Students are always welcome to come to the center and get diapers, clothes, wipes, and gently used baby items, all at no cost.
You can find help. You shouldn't do this alone. I didn't, you shouldn't.
Many PAF program grantees teach young people, especially young fathers, how they can positively engage with their child and how to adjust to their new role as a parent.
I didn't really know how to be a parent because I had my first child when I was 17, and my dad left when I was maybe 6 years old.
I wasn't that involved in my daughter's life. I'm ashamed to say, but it's true. But then I found Stepping Up Together, and I found that there's people out there who can help me succeed and help me give that push.
We believe here with the Fatherhood program that if we instill in the fathers to be that example to their child, whether it's a little boy or a little girl, it will go a long way in their lives.
Barbershop Talks originally started off through the MyUp program to engage fathers in the community and linking them to that next generation of fathers.
I'm always in the barbershop. Sometimes I just go there just to talk, even though when I don't get a haircut. It's just good to be around a good community and a good conversation.
PAF program grantees give these young people the resources and confidence to complete their education and take advantage of new opportunities. They address the challenges that make it even harder for youth who are already at risk of dropping out to stay in school.
Our program, for the most part, is in the schools to help support them to stay in school so that they're not dropping out, that they can go on to graduate.
Through the workshops in New Heights, we set goals as far as what schools we're going to apply to, how we're going to do our FAFSA.
Teen parents want to be successful for themselves and for their children. Through comprehensive services and supportive staff, the PAF program helps them achieve their goals.
I don't want my son to grow up without having a father or a mother that graduated from school and dropped out. I don't want him to think he's able to drop out.
I want to finish my career because that's the only way I think I'm going to be able to support them later in life.
I'm a 21-year-old single mother of one. I have one son. He's 3 years old. I currently work at the emergency shelter. I will soon be seeking my secondary education.
Every day we all are surpassing the statistics, which I'm proud of.